Hello everybody. Are you an insurance agent that wants to become more profitable, wants to potentially rely less on leads, and has troubles getting referrals in every single house that you are able to capture a sale in? Well, this short video is meant to alleviate that burden on yourself and give you the best tool in the industry to pick up referrals in houses for your clients. So it's called the Emergency Response Network. The key component to this is there's over $1 billion of life insurance claims that are not paid out on an annual basis. So the purpose of you setting up this network for your clients is to make sure if they've got 10, 20, 30-year term or a permanent policy, whatnot, that they will receive the benefit that they have paid for and wanted for their family. So you make them aware of this process that is in play. The key scenario to this whole thing is you have to be assumptive. No different than asking for a driver's license at the house, checking account information, banking information, social security information. It's just part of the process, part of the sale. So I always say, hey, we're going to start with your beneficiaries. Let's say you have a son and a daughter, so we're going to get name, address, phone number, and email. And then I'm going to collect 2 more friends or family members that you need to make aware that this policy is in place. So John, who's a close friend that lives close to you that I can call and make them aware, give you the policy number, make sure they have the agent of record, which would be me. So if something happens, they can call me and I can take them through the process and make sure that your family is taken care of. Who's that name? And you just write it down. Write it down. You get 4 names per house. And it's such a simple referral process. I think a lot of times, people want word tracks for referrals and different aspects, but there's not anybody that's not going to want their death claim taken care of in a very professional manner. So there's zero resistance when you're getting names of clients. And then the best part about it is you make them aware that, hey, I'm going to call your son, your daughter. I'm going to call, your friends, your family, and I'm going to make them aware of the policy, the amount, and how to contact me. Does that sound fair? Yes. And you just go through that process. And then the beautiful thing is when you call those clients and you say, hey, I'm setting up an emergency response network for, John and Mary took out a life insurance policy. They wanted to have you on the list of contacts. Do you have a pen? My name is Matt Smith. Here's my phone number. Here's their policy number. And then I ask them, do you currently have an emergency response network set up for yourself? And they usually say, no, I don't. Great. Do you currently have life insurance? I do. Wonderful. Let me set that up for you. In fact, what I've seen is rates have gotten significantly better right now, so I can review your existing coverage and make sure that's in place. What time are you and your spouse generally home from work? 6. Great, I'm going to be out there, on Tuesday between about 6:30 and 7. It takes me literally 10 minutes to set up this network for you. I'll review your existing coverage. If we can improve it, great. If not, no worries. I'll see you between about 6:30 and 7. We'll do the same thing that I did for John and Mary. Such a warm handoff because they know someone trusted you that is very close to them. If they're on that list, that is a simple sales process that allows you to become much more profitable. It allows you to be less reliable on all your leads, which is where you want to get to eventually in this business. You build your book up enough and you could literally eat off of your emergency response network. The other scenario I've seen before is people say, hey, we're going to put in 4 deputies to this process. So deputies are in order of importance. So the first would be your beneficiaries. Who on your beneficiary list do you want to have in first place, second place, third place, and fourth place? We get 4 people that want to be made aware of that you have these policies in place. So we're getting 4 names and phone numbers and addresses. And then we put that with our leads. And every Monday and Thursday, we're making dials. And once we get out of the leads, then we move to our emergency response network. And then we're dialing them the same way, saying, hey, I set this up for John and Mary. They wanted to make you aware of this policy. It's been one of the biggest problems in the life insurance industry. There's over $1 billion of claims that are not settled currently on an annual basis. So here's what I'm doing and the reason I'm calling. Do you currently have that set up? And then you open up a conversation in order to get them protected, have their network set up, and then you become a professional agent that's taking care of the entire network of not only you, your family, your friends, and it just expands from there. So I hope this helped. Click the link to grab the form, and let's start building something special.